Cardano is a middle-tier cryptocurrency with the ticker ADA. Its present value is 0.292030, which isn't very exciting, and its market capitalization is $10,206,314,780. They thought that digital currencies were no longer useful as a toy for tech nerds, con artists, and small sellers. Today, it's a resource class that is specifically targeted and unexpectedly accepted as a legal tender. Some big investment banks still buy Cardano and other cryptographic forms of money all at once to protect their assets under the administration on against the dashing expansion that prevents them from doing so at the moment. Cardano's overall price is 0.292030. And the coin is currently ranked 8th in terms of its basic value. The set's place is based on how much it's really worth right now, which is equal to its current business sector capitalization. An equation that is usually used on every financial market. Our management keeps an eye on any changes in these three areas so that our clients can get the most accurate information about how their portfolios are showing computerized assets, which is usually very important. It's also important to look at the facts that can help you get a good understanding of how the market works and what it means. On July 22, the price of Cardano was $0.287084 at the end of trading, and the price change was $0.20. 7 days earlier, on July 25, ADA was valued at $0.29004, which means that since then, the price has changed by 0% in a big way. A month ago, on July 23, a market member put the price of Cardano at $0.365011. So, the coin has moved 19.99 to get to where it is now. However, it has become clear that the price of Cardano isn't the most important thing to consider when making a price prediction, which is very important. It's also important to keep an eye on how the market value of the computerized resource you're thinking about changes so you can see where the market is going. The study of market capitalization is just as important in the digital currency market as it is in the traditional business market. This is because the same numerical method is used to figure out the overall position and popularity of both digital currencies and stocks. For example, big changes in market capitalization that are either positive or negative are a good indicator of how the said market is doing. This unique measure is often used to compare the strength of Cardano to that of the other digital currencies. Market changes, which may also give clues about how it will look in the future and are a big part of figuring out how much ADA is worth on the market right now. Help us close the circle. From now on, the market price of Cardano will stay at $10,206,314,780. This is the limit that will be explained later by the value of the digital currency under study at the moment, which determines why it is in the position it is in now, which was already stated. Or why the city of Ada thought it was worth $10.03236,903 yesterday, July 22. Last week, on July 25, the market capitalization of the coin in question was found to be $10,130,452.139. A month earlier, on July 23, the market capitalization of Cardano was found to be $12,732,935,283. However, while the market capitalization is a good indicator of Cardano's popularity and dominance, it doesn't always match up with the amount of money that is traded in the same market. A big jump in these kinds of trades often has an immediate effect on the price of the hidden digital resource and can cause an unwarranted rise in market capitalization. This can give investors who are actually looking at the market the wrong idea about how much the digital currency is actually worth, which is why it's so important to focus on the past and stop trading. The valuation of the dashing market takes into account the number of coins that have been actively made through methods like mining. These digital currencies can be used for real-time trading or stored in the wallets of investors or with managers. This measurement also figures out how many coins have been taken out of circulation through a process called consuming, which is mostly used to slow the rate of growth in a stealthy way. At the moment, the total amount of Cardano in circulation is 35,936,967,442 coins. ADA. Lastly, the circulating supply is used to figure out the market capitalization and figure out how many coins are really left. It represents the average amount of ADA that is traded across all trades. Except for coins that are marked, locked, or frozen, which makes them temporarily unavailable for general use for reasons nobody knows. Most people agree that digital currencies with a circulating supply of between 60 million and 150 million are the best for long-term investments. This is because they are likely to increase in value over a long period of time, possibly many years, while still growing at a reasonable rate. Crossroads Cardano has an amount of 34,949,540,148 coins in circulation. In the last few hours, the volume of trading has been equal to yesterday. July 22, the average weighted trading volume was still 517,630,166 at the end of the trading time frame. 7 days ago, on July 25, the amount of ADA that was usually traded between market members was probably estimated to be 208,314,138. Now that we have the chance to learn more about the crypto unpredictability file fix, which is a key part of our price prediction model, we can fully understand what it means. As the BTC price gets ready for a bull market in 2023, traders say, "Get ready." Bitcoin. Traders who are watching two key trend lines say that the market is getting ready for its next bull run in a classic way. Mustache and Titan of Crypto, two well-known traders, recently looked at social media and found that the BTC price was about to break out. The bull market line for Bitcoin looks for a classic crossover. Titan of Crypto says that Bitcoin's price cycles are very similar to those of the past, and that the time is almost right for a bullish rise. By uploading past price data, he drew attention to the 21-week simple moving average, SMA, which is currently at $27,900, according to Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView. Once this upward-sloping trend line goes above the spot price range, a long period of rising prices follows. This is why the 21-week simple moving average is called the bull market line. Titan of Crypto said that what was happening was a bull market kickoff. Once the weekly 21 MA crosses over the BTC market structure, it will kick off the bull market, he said. 4 years ago, in early 2019, Bitcoin had its last